In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync orders from Shopify and GoHighLevel. We're going to walk through the exact process of connecting your Shopify store to your GoHighLevel account so that your orders and other key data can sync automatically in the background. By the end of this video, you'll have the integration set up and know where to choose orders as part of the information that gets synced. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is usually the main starting area when you open a specific location in GoHighLevel. From here, we're going to move into the settings where the integration lives. In the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open up a page with various configuration options for your account or location. Inside the settings area, find and click on Integrations. This is where GoHighLevel lets you connect external tools and platforms like Shopify. On the integrations page, scroll until you see Shopify. Next to Shopify, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click on Connect to start the integration process. You'll now see a form where you need to enter a couple of key details from your Shopify store. The first important field is the Admin API Access Token. Click into that field and paste in your Shopify Admin API Access Token. Make sure you copy this from your Shopify admin correctly and treat it as sensitive information. Double check there are no extra spaces before or after the token to avoid connection issues. Next, you'll see a field for the name of your Shopify store. Click into that field and type in your store's name exactly as you'd like it to appear inside GoHighLevel. This helps you easily recognize which store is connected, especially if you manage multiple stores or locations. Once your admin API token and store name are both filled in, and you've confirmed everything looks correct, click on the Next button. After this, GoHighLevel will prompt you to import elements from Shopify. This can include things like products, customers, and other related data that will help GoHighLevel work smoothly with your store. When you've selected what to import and you're ready to continue, click Next again. You'll then reach the Sync Information section. This is the crucial part where you decide what data will be kept in sync between Shopify and GoHighLevel. Here, make sure you select orders so that your Shopify orders are automatically synced into GoHighLevel. Once you've chosen orders and any other elements you want synced, complete the process and your integration will be active, keeping your